Hey guys, welcome back to John's Curiosity channel. Today we're going to talk about the list of the supermassive black holes. Now, apparently there are approximately 40 quintillion black holes in the universe. If you don't know what quintillion is, it's basically a 18-digit number. You know, like in 1,000, there's three zeros, a million, six zeros, a billion, nine zeros. Quintillion is 18 zeros, and there's 40 quintillion black holes in the universe, approximately, but there might be more. But unfortunately, we do not have time to talk about all 40 quintillion black holes in the universe. But today we're going to talk about 8 supermassive black holes. We're going to talk about the Phoenix cluster, Messier 104, Messier 59, 85, yeah, and so on, guys. This is all we're going to talk about today. I'm afraid we can't do 40 quintillion. It's impossible. So first, the first black hole we're going to talk about is Phoenix cluster. So the Phoenix cluster is a massive Abell class type 1 galaxy cluster located at its namesake southern constellation of Phoenix. It was initially detected in 2010 during a 2,500 square degree survey in the southern sky using a Sunadov-Zeldovich effect by the South Pole Telescope collaboration. It is one of the most massive galaxy clusters known, with the mass on the order of 2 times 10 carried 15 solar mass, and is the most luminous X-ray clusters discovered, producing more X-rays than any other known massive clusters. It is located at a distance of 8.61 billion light years, also which makes 2.64 gigaparsecs from Earth. So this Phoenix cluster, as you can see on the artwork here, right in the middle, there's a black hole located inside. So next, we're going to talk about Messier 104, also known as the Sombrero Galaxy. So the Messier Object 104 is a peculiar galaxy of unclear classification in the borders of Virgo and Taurus, being about 9.55 megaparsecs, which makes 31.1 million light years from our Milky Way galaxy. So it's very far away. The galaxy has an apparent magnitude of +8, making it easily visible with amateur telescopes, and is considered by some authors to be the galaxy with the highest absolute magnitude within a radius of 10 megaparsecs of the Milky Way. Its large bulge, central supermassive black hole, and dust lane all attract the attention of professional astronomers. Now, Messier 59. Messier 59, or M59, is an elliptical galaxy in the equatorial constellation of Virgo. It is a member of the Virgo cluster, with the nearest fellow member 8 away and around 5 magnitudes fainter. the core contains a supermassive black hole with a mass that has been estimated to be 270 million times the mass of the Sun. That's really big. That's a very big ass black hole, that is, right there. Uh, about as big as my bottom, but basically. So, moving on now. So next, Messier 85. Messier 85 or M85 is a lenticular galaxy or Berenice's constellation. I can't pronounce that word properly. I do apologise. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, let me know in the comments. I would appreciate it. It is 60 million light years away and is estimated to be 225,000 light years across. So it's bigger than the Milky Way galaxy then, because our galaxy is 100,000 light years across, but this one is 125,000 light years and is located 60 million light years from Earth. While indirect methods imply that Messier 85 should contain a central supermassive black hole of around 100 million solar masses. Velocity dispersion observations imply that the galaxy may entirely lack a central massive black hole. So we don't fully understand this black hole at the moment. Hopefully in the near future we will understand. But because it's so far away, 60 million light years away from Earth, so it's going to be a little bit hard to understand how big the black hole is in this galaxy. And if you travel at the speed of light, it will take 60 million years to get there. So it's a little bit far away from here, guys. So moving on, Holmberg 15A. Oh, that's a beautiful one. So Holmberg is a supergiant elliptical galaxy and the central dominant galaxy of the Abell 85 galaxy cluster in the constellation Cetus. About 700 million light years from Earth. Oh, that is really far away. 700 million light years away from Earth. So this is how long it will take if you travel at the speed of light to get to the galaxy. It will take 700 million years to get there. So it has been postulated that the primary component of the galactic core is a supermassive black hole with a mass of 40 billion solar masses, although no direct measurement has yet been made. This makes it one of the most massive black holes ever discovered, with it being classified as an ultra massive black hole. That's a big ass black hole there guys. So there is no chance that anything could escape from this black hole because gravity is so strong that even light can't get through. But because this one is so big, it is impossible for anything to escape from that one. 700 million light years from Earth. Wow. That's impressive, and we can see it. So moving on now, guys. So now Messier 60. Messier 60 or M60 is an elliptical galaxy approximately 57 million light years in the equatorial constellation of Virgo. At the center of M60 is a supermassive black hole of 4.5 plus 1 billion solar masses, one of the largest ever found. So, yeah, that's a lot of massive black holes out there in the universe, and just pray we don't fall into one. Let's hope our planet won't get sucked in one day if they come to us. I don't think it's going to happen in our lifetime, but yeah, moving on now. Oh, that's a pretty one. Hercules A. I think this is my favourite one on this list so far because that is beautiful. Look at the photos. So Hercules A is a bright astronomical radio source in the constellation Hercules, corresponding to the galaxy 3C348. Detailed analysis indicate that the galaxy is actually over 1,000 times more massive. That's approximately 10 carat 15 solar masses than our Milky Way galaxy. And the central black hole is nearly 1,000 times more massive, approximately 4 billion solar masses, than the black hole at our Milky Way center, one of the biggest known. Geez, that's okay. We all know there are gigantic black holes out there, but never thought that there was some black holes this big out there in the universe. But universe is a gigantic place, so anything could be out there. If if um if it's so big, it can have a lot of gigantic, enormous astronomical phenomenon as well. Uh, so now Macarian 501, or 501, let's say. Macarian 501. Macarian 501 is a galaxy with a spectrum extending up at the base highest energy gamma rays. The TP is supposed to be at there, not TP. What a stupid wanker I am. Blazars are likely to originate from matter falling into a black hole and possibly a binary black hole. The black hole is to be a mass of 0.9, you take away 3.4 times 10 carat 9 solar masses. I'm not really that good at math, but 10 is say exponent to 9. So let's say 10 times 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 10. So that's about, yeah, a big number. big ass number. So, yeah, so that's all for the black holes list. Wait, hang on. Is it really the end? Well, I am proud to announce that there is one more thing to tell you, and that is Sagittarius A. Why would anyone forget to tell you guys about this one? So, Sagittarius A is a supermassive black hole at the galactic center of the Milky Way. That's our galaxy. We live in Milky Way, and at the center of the Milky Way we live in, there's a black hole in the middle of it. Viewed from Earth, it is located near the border of the constellations Sagittarius and Scorpio, about 5.6 degrees south of the ecliptic, visually close to the butterfly cluster, also known as M6, and Lambda Scorpii. So this photo right here is the real photo of the actual black hole taken in 2017 and revealed in 2019. This is the best photo we got so far of the black hole, which is very close to us. I forgot to put in what's the distance, but it's about 50,000 light years away, I'm guessing. I'm not 100% sure. Forgot to look into that fully, but yeah, this is the actual photo of the black hole, the real one, the real photo of the black hole in the outer space. Now let's go back to the top. Um, we talked about 8 supermassive black holes, include no, nine. That includes the Sagittarius A, which I didn't put in the list because I want it to be a surprise. So we talked about the Phoenix cluster. We talked about Messier 104, 59, 85, Holmberg 15A, Messier 60, Hercules A, and Macarian 501. Now, I just want to tell you, you probably noticed that I put the coordinates on the top right of the screen. What you're seeing is the coordinates of where the black holes are in the night sky region of the night sky. So if you guys know what that is, and if you have a smart telescope or a computer to control it, you can write these numbers down and your telescope will point right to it. So hopefully you can get a closer look at those galaxies or black holes. Well, black holes are located at the center of galaxies, and I don't think it'll be easy to see the black hole, but it'll be more easier to see the galaxies itself. That's what I must warn you. So don't get too disappointed if you can't see the galaxy black holes properly with your own backyard telescope. Um, so yeah, I put the coordinates there so you can all know where to point at if you have a powerful smart telescope. But if you're really a professional astronomer and you have a standard telescope like what I have here, um, if you know the coordinates very well, you can point directly at it, at the skies region written on there at the top right of the screen. So you can know where to point your telescope at if you want to see those galaxies. So yeah, so this is it, guys. I'm going to leave the video for today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry if I didn't make sense much because I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm very tired today. Um, Managed to sleep very late and woke up very early this morning. Yeah, I got more videos coming tomorrow, hopefully. I try to make videos as quickly as possible to upload every day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you all have a good evening tonight, and I hope to see you all tomorrow in the next video. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Cheerio.